Hello my friends, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to connect your beautiful PS4 controller like this one, or different color if you have one, to your computer. Guys, it's very easy, just follow my steps. So guys, just type in DS for Windows in your search bar in Google or any other search system that you're using. And guys, do not click the first link, go into the GitHub link. As you can see, releases, RuoChan 7, go into here and go ahead and grab the latest version, which is of December 31, 2023. It doesn't matter that it's old, trust me, it works like a charm. Now go ahead and grab the x64 version for your computer. You can grab a zip file or a 7Z file, it doesn't matter. And then unzip the contents of this folder, of this archive, into any folder on your computer. And let us continue. Okay guys, after extracting all the files, you will have something like this in your folder. And as you can see, our primary application that we will use the program to be able to play our games with PS4 controller on PC will be this ds4windows.exe. So go ahead, if you want, just right click and send a shortcut to your desktop to be able to easily open it anytime you want. Now, my app is already opened. Let me just bring it up. So, guys, now as to the setup, the first time you will open this app, you will get this pop-up right here where you will be prompted to install the drivers for this application. This is absolutely mandatory. If you don't do this, the app will not work. So firstly, install the VGem bus driver. It's going to you just click the button, it downloads the driver, install it like an app. It's very easy, it's intuitive, you will understand everything. And optionally, if you're on Windows 11, which is a messy system, it is just, I don't know, man, why they do it to the system. You will have compatibility and certain issues with exclusivity of the control of your controller. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, just install this head-hired driver to take full control of your controller with this application. After that, reboot your controller, press finish to reboot your system, not controller. Reboot the system, launch the app once again, and then press on start right here. Press on start. Guys, also before this, I forgot to tell you, you will need to firstly pair your PS4 controller with your system. So let us show you how to do that. Alright guys, so you go into the devices, you go into add Bluetooth or other device, then Bluetooth. Before you do that, grab your controller and press on the share button right here and the PS button right over here. So firstly you press on share, after that you press on PS and wait until your LED, I'm just gonna turn my controller on, and wait until your LED will start blinking. This means that it's in the pairing mode, okay? And then go ahead and press on Bluetooth and you will see your DualShock controller in here. Press on it and it will be paired via the Bluetooth with your system. Do not forget to buy a dongle. Do not forget about that, that's very important. You need a Bluetooth dongle to be able to connect your controller wirelessly. Right, so this is the wireless method. With the wire, it's this actually a lot more easy. You just use the wire like this one I have right here. As you can see, it's from Bazeus. Very nice wire. As you can see, very sturdy. Micro USB. You can easily connect with the wire if you want. Now going back to the application, as you can see, my controller is already connected. So in your case, you just press the start button after you pair your controller with the system, and it should now pop up in here. After that, guys, you can create your profiles. As you can see, I'm gonna go to edit and you can choose any button you want. I of course adjusted everything the way it's supposed to be. X for X, for example, R1 for R1, etc. Right? Also, you can adjust the dead zones. We also have videos on the on our channel about how to adjust the dead zone, how to fix the stick drift. You can find all of this stuff on our channel. Just search it up in the search of our channel. And that's basically it, guys. Now you can start playing your games with your PS4 controller on your Windows. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Enjoy, press thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one.